Okay, now let's get list out of files that available on specialized format. For example, my udemy.txt file. It is available on my desktop directory. First ls. Now which our directory is desktop. Now /. Now we have to add a star for select all, and we have to give file format .txt. Now we can get list out. Okay, this is our file. If we navigate into desktop folder, we can directly get our files cd desktop and ls star.txt, right? Also, we can get readout of only files available in our directory. To do it, ls star and dot and star, right? We got all the files here.